Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for your daily tasks. These are real use cases you can start using right away to save time and stay productive. First, sign into your Claude AI account. Once you're in, click New Chat to begin. This is where you'll manage your daily tasks. One simple use case is writing emails. Just type something like write a professional email to reschedule a meeting, and Claude will generate it instantly. Next, you can plan your day. Try create a daily schedule for working from home or make a to-do list for today. It helps you stay organized without overthinking. Another great use is summarizing. Paste long text, notes, or articles, and ask Claude to summarize it. This saves a lot of time when you're reading or studying. Finally, use Claude AI to generate ideas like social media posts, blog topics, or even quick solutions to problems. It's like having a smart assistant available anytime, and that's it. Using Claude AI for daily tasks, really that simple. Write, plan, summarize, and create, then watch your productivity improve every day.